Oh, we're videoing.
Huh?
Woohoo! We're videoing.
When you tell me that you're okay, keep your head up. You can trust me. Stop your worries like you did before. There's no reason
Present
to be pleased,
Mr. and Mrs.
but I think that you're the one that I adore you. Just can't imagine my life without you. We're both on the threshold of future, though. Stick like glue. I love you.
I just want to thank all you guys for coming. A lot of you came from really far away. A lot of you are a lot of our close friends. You know, college, high school, racing, whatever. We all love you guys very much. We can't appreciate beyond belief how much you guys are here. And let's have a really good time. Treat your bartenders good. They'll make really good drinks for us. And just have a good time. That's what it's all about. It's New Year's Eve. Let's have fun.
That I'll pull you through, baby, I adore you. Just can't imagine my life without you. We're both on the threshold of future, though. Stick like glue, I love you. When you say, I want to see what lies ahead of me, come with me, we will see. It's you who I adore you. Just can't imagine my life without you. We're both on the threshold of future, though. Stick like glue,